friend, today I'm going to talk about static electricity. Without further ado, let's get started. First, you need to know that all object contains atoms, and atoms are made of protons, which is a positive charge, electron, which is a negative charge, and neutron, which is neutral. Electrostatic is the study of electric charges that can be collected and held in one place. Like charges will repel each other, but unlike charges will attract to each other. Electrostatic theory states that all objects begin with neutral and can become positively or negatively charged. A positively charged object means that they have positive more than negative, and a negatively charged object means that they have negative more than positive. Let's look at the example so you get the image of it. So here we have a balloon, and then she's gonna rub the balloon on my hand. And then you can see that the balloon stick my hair up. This is because my hair is now became a negative charge, and then they repel each other. Now we're gonna get this balloon and stick it on something else. Now a balloon is able to pick up a piece of paper because the paper contains the same amount of electron and proton, but the balloon contains more proton, and the electron from the paper is jumping toward the balloon. That's why the balloon is able to pick up a piece of paper. What is insulator and conductor? So insulator is an object that do not allow electric flow through easily, such as cloth, dye, wood, and rubber. And conductor is an object that allow electric flow through easily, such as copper, silver, gold. How to charge neutral object? So there's two ways. The first one is charging by conduction, which is touching with a charged object. And the other one is charging by induction, which is bringing a charged object near it. And in this process, we can remove the excess charge by connecting an object to Earth, which is called grounding. Now, what is Coulomb's law? Coulomb's law is an experimental law of physics that clarifies the amount of force between two stationary electrically charged particles. The Coulomb's law formula is F equals K times QAQP divided by R squared. The QAQP is the magnitude of charge between 2 points. And those charges have their own specific number, which is 1.6 times 10 power negative 19 coulombs, and the plus and negative depends on the charge, whether it's proton or electron, and these charges are called elementary charge. Now let's look at the R. The R square is the distance between charge, and the unit of it is m or meter. Now the K. The K is the Coulomb's constant, which also have a suffix number, which is 9.0 times 10 power 19, and the unit is nanometer coulomb square. Keep in mind that these formulas are to find the magnitude of the force, but the direction you have to draw a diagram. And yes, the unit of force is Newton. Now let's solve the problem. So there's a positive charge of 6.1 microcoulomb, and there's a negative charge of minus 3 microcoulomb, and they spread apart from each other 4 centimeters. And the problem asks, what is the force of sphere B on sphere A? So we need the formula to find the force. The formula is F equals KQAQB divided by R squared. And notice that the K have its own value, which is 9.0 times 10 power 9. After we got every value, we just put in its place. So FB on A is 9.0 times 10 power 19 times 6 times 10 power negative 6 times 3 times 10 power negative 6, then divided by 4 times 10 power 2 squared. And that gave us the FB on A, which is 1.0 times 10 power 2, and the unit is N. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the video.